Hey mathematicians, ready to work with 10 again? We are on lesson 9 today. Meet me there in your problem set. All right, lesson 9, make 10 to solve. Use a number bond to show how you took 2 out to make 10. All right, so here's our story. Ben has 8 grapes. Sorry, I knew I was missing when I kept reading. Ben has 8 green grapes and 3 purple grapes. How many grapes does he have in all? Okay, what kind of problem is this? I hope you said addition. When we're finding out how many we have in all, we know we're adding something together. We're adding 8 plus 3. So, does it say we need to use a picture? It does not. If you want to add that, you can. Decide if that's a good use of your time. It's asking you to use a number bond, though, to show how you took out 2 to make 10. Why would they ask you to take out 2 to make 10 if you're adding 8 plus 3? You might have thought something like, well, 8 plus 2 is 10. So by taking 2 out, you've made 10. And then, of course, what's left is the 1, and 10 and 1 is 11. So the new problem you made in your brain was 10, which you got from the 8 and the 2, plus the 1 that was left over equals 11. And then to answer the story problem with the statement, Ben has 11 grapes, right? All right, so you're going to do the same thing, use a number bond, and then make your 10 plus statement. At this point, this should be feeling really comfortable. If it doesn't, please talk to Mrs. Norton. Either give her a note, find a good time in the day, maybe during a transition, to say, Mrs. Norton, I'm still having trouble finding 10 and using those number bonds or making 10 in my head. Can you please help me? That's really important. She really wants to make sure that you understand. So please talk to me if this is feeling hard for you. All right, so down at the bottom, you're using number bonds again to show your thinking, and then you're writing a 10 plus back. So it's exactly the same as you did up here, but it's a little bit harder because now they didn't write 10 plus for you. They want you to do it yourself, just a little more independently. So 8 plus 5, we know that we would pull 2 out of the 5 to make 10. And then what's left in the 5? Yep, 3. That's the other part, which is 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So do that for the rest of them. And then on the back, on the second page, the most tricky problems of all, you're completing the addition sentence and the number bond. So 10 plus 1 is 11. What are the 2 parts? 1 and 10. As always, mathematicians, make sure to do your highest quality work. Show your application problem and your problem set to your manager so he or she can tell you, yes, you can check that off your goal sheet. This looks fantastic. I look forward to seeing your problem solving today. Work hard. Get help if you need it. This is really important. Happy mathing.